Hello guys, today I've been in Galitos. As you all know, Galitos is new in Narok. It's located in Rubis along the Olenti Mama Road. We'll be launching it on 28th of November. It will be on Friday. We'll be having 50% on that day. We'll be having different kind of chicken flavor, whether lemon, herb, mild, hot or extra hot. Hope all of you guys will come on that day because we'll be having a 50% on that day. Even I myself will be there enjoying myself and my team. I urge all of you to bring your family on that date on 28th of November. Come one, come all. Thanks Galito for coming in Narok. Tunafurahia Galito kuja Narok na tunawaita nyinyi nyote kila sehemu, from Total, Lenana.